Hey guys, it is week 2 of our poetry and figurative language unit, and honestly, I think it's crazy that we only have a couple weeks left. Here's what we're going to do for this week. So, I went to Classroom and found classwork, and I found poetry and figurative language playlist 2. This is what it looks like right here. Same learning goals as last week. We're focusing on the same things. We're just doing different activities to see if you guys can do them in different situations. So Monday through Wednesday this week, we're actually going to work on the Dear Basketball poem, or Dear Basketball, that was by Kobe Bryant. And you're going to be able to write your own Dear poem, and we'll go through that, and you're also going to create a visual for that. So I'm very excited because it's really your first taste of like writing poetry and also like really writing it well so you can create a visual. If you guys are not in class, all of the video is right here, has been linked right here, so you should watch it. If you also need help with visualizing, then you could watch that video. It's like 5 minutes. All of the resources that you will need for this week are going to be on Google Classroom. So, for example, Dear Basketball video and worksheet. That was the first thing that you have on your playlist. It's right here. Second thing you have on your playlist is Write Dear Blank poem and create visual. Again, that's right here. Thursday is going to be kind of like a review day. So you're going to do 2 activities. The first activity is going to be poetry and songs. So just like that ed puzzle that we have done or did last week, or that you have worked on this week, you're actually going to be looking at some, like, pick your own songs and actually like highlight and identify the parts of speech that you find in them. I think it's crazy just how much figurative language that you guys probably already know about because of songs, but it just is never really like talked about. And then the last thing is we will actually play Quizlet, and we'll do Quizlet live and review, because tomorrow, or I shouldn't say tomorrow, but the next day, Friday, you guys will be taking a poetry quiz or like a knowledge check, and that is also linked on Google Classroom. However, I will be able to see if you've done it before I have asked you guys to do it, and so if you've done that, then I won't take your score. So just be aware of that. I know I put it out there, but it's more so that it's just out there for when we need it. Don't take it before I ask you guys to in class. If at any point during this you get done with stuff, let's say you've like blown through all of this stuff Monday through Thursday and you have a little bit of time, well, I want you to take the quiz on Friday. But there are may-dos that are linked down here. I would check them out because they're pretty cool. They relate to poetry and figurative language, and there's just a lot there, so I would check that out. If you guys have any questions, please let me know.